Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday. I'm here doing me some scrambled eggs for work real quick because I need to change my way of eating. I need to change the way I eat. And yeah, so I'm going to eat here. Probably for my lunch break at work, I'm going to go and go to Walmart real quick and get some salads so I can eat that during the day for lunch instead of all that rice. So yeah, y'all might not, this has to go. This, yeah, it's serious. Serious. So that's what I'm doing, just scrambling some eggs. And I'm about to toast me a bread with a little bit jelly on it. So that's it. I'll check back in with y'all. I don't know. Let me show y'all this. One second. I don't know if y'all remember, but my Christmas theme is Candyland. Y'all look at this wall. This little wall. What is it called? I don't know. A little stand. Then I found the kitchen towels, the Christmas kisses and candy can wishes, some other little candy can things, but y'all can't wait. I'll take y'all with me Friday when I go to Mercedes, get my oil changed, and then Saturday look for more Christmas stuff. Alright, y'all, here's a sneak peek of my holiday stuff. This is the candy can, everything that go on the front door. I'm currently getting my house painted. This is a sneak peek of the dining room. That's of the little liquor cabinet slash candle holder. And I bought this thing here from, I think, Marshall's. I really like it. That has to go put up with the fall decoration. Well, look at this. This is the dining room table. And then this is the tree. I have to finish putting my tree skirt. I ordered a few more tree toppings to go on the top. So I think it's coming out good. And then let me show y'all the fireplace so far. And it does, the garland does like that black box that's hanging out to add the batteries. But this is what it's looking like so far. And yeah, I'll show y'all once everything is done. gotta get one more stocking. This is the fireplace. And then this is the Christmas tree. That's my little stuffed room. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try to go to the store pick up a few items. These are the pods on Mardi Gras cake cake. So I'm cleaning this up. And the other ones that I buy. The breakfast bin and then the house meal. And I'm currently cooking. We'll take some lasagna fried chicken on this Sunday. Groceries all low. We're filling my container again. So yeah, Christmas outside stuff still sitting. Christmas tree is ditto done. So yeah. morning. It is Monday before Thanksgiving. I'm off today. I'm actually off from work tomorrow as well. I go back to work Wednesday for a few hours. But I'm headed to my dentist appointment for a cleaning. Not too far away from my house, maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, I just wanted to come on. That's where I'm headed. And then the weather, it looks so bad. It's actually raining, but it's lightly raining right now. Hey y'all, I drop y'all. Yeah, so that's where I'm headed. Then I have to go to Home Depot and make a quick pickup. I ordered a reindeer for the front yard that I need to go and pick up. And then I'm gonna go get me some Starbucks, and I have an orthopedic surgeon appointment for a follow-up for my injections in my wrist, which I think worked out pretty good because my hand was falling asleep, well, going numb from the carpal tunnel every single night. It was bad. And right now, for the most part, it may be once a week, if that. Hold on one second, let me turn right quick. Whoop. Yeah, so it may be once a week. Oh, look at the angle, but yeah, once a week, if that. But I have to keep my brace on most of the time, which I haven't been wearing, but it's still been good, so that worked out. I'm not too sure if you're going to give me another one when I go in this afternoon, because I have to be there for 1:15. So yeah, busy off day, but still off from work, which is still good. And I need to get in my attic and get my my fall bin, to put my fall stuff back up because I started putting out Christmas. So yeah, I'll touch bases with you all once I come back after my cleaning. Alright y'all, I just wanted to come back on. I have picked up my reindeer, and I did search in store to see did they have another one that could go with this one, but they didn't. Then I got my Starbucks. I have a venti iced chai tea latte with whole milk pumpkin cream cold foam with pumpkin spice on the top, and a bacon Gouda sandwich. So now I am headed back home. I gotta go pick my daughter up because she slept to my sister's house. And then prepare. Well, I ain't got much preparing. Just go probably straighten up my house a little bit because I have my orthopedic appointment next. So yeah, y'all, that's what's on the agenda. Watch this traffic. Alright y'all, this is going to be the last day added to this vlog. Yesterday was my husband's birthday, so today we decided to do a party because he worked yesterday. I'm about to do some shrimp fried rice with this. I have the shrimps cooking. Then I have some deviled eggs. That's our sandwiches. Then I have hot meatballs. And then this pan is fish stir fry for later. Then I also have shrimp to ball. This is liquor, jungle juice in here. This is non-alcohol. And then I have a few, there's some liquor. My husband's getting more. We have some Hennessy, some Bud Light, some vodka. And yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna take y'all along and go meet the cake lady to pick up the cake. And yeah, I'll touch bases with y'all once I start mixing the rice.